Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever asked yourself who you really are and which influences have brought you to be the person you are today? In this video, we will show you 5 questions you can ask yourself in order to get to know yourself better. Don't miss out the other 4 videos of this mini-series of 5 episodes, in order to get to know yourself better step by step. Who am I? Has a whopping 1,001 possible responses. Although it seems like a simple question, the answer is complex, not the least of which is the fact that there is no singular you. Depending on who is asking and how in-depth you want to go, your own response will probably vary. In an interview or on a date, the response to the question, "Who am I?" will usually be more concrete and less abstract. On another hand, we get more perceptive the more we understand about ourselves. As Aristotle famously remarked, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. These, "Who am I?" example answers can help you explore your true self and get to know yourself better. 16. What are my insecurities? Everybody experiences moments of insecurity. According to one study, weekly harmful, self-critical thoughts occur in 60% of women. Our critical inner voice frequently shapes our insecurities. 17. What do I want to learn? Many of us have been considering how we spend our time and how we may utilize it to better ourselves as a result of the several lockdowns caused by the coronavirus outbreak. The most successful and content people are typically life's perpetual learners. Every situation is viewed as an opportunity for growth in a growth mindset. 18. What do I respect most about myself? Treating oneself the way you would like others to treat you is a sign of self-respect. The traits, successes, and facets of life in which we hold ourselves in the highest regard represent the respect we feel for ourselves. 19. What are my regrets? Remorse can either make or break us. According to research, you're more likely to look back and regret something you didn't do than something you did. According to the findings, regrets about inaction outlasted regrets about action. 20. What am I good at? There are several hints that can assist reveal who you are hidden in the activities that you appear to have a natural flair for. Some people are gifted communicators, mathematicians, artists, or have analytical minds. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.